Hi, my name is Bryant. I just had my kitchen redone from Remodel Republic. We're really happy with it. As you can see, it's a smaller kitchen than I think some of the projects that they've been working on. But we're real happy with the custom cabinets. We love the corks. We absolutely love the sink that we got from them as well. We had a built-in pantry put in over here. And as you can see, they were able to completely encompass the built-in fridge. So we're real happy with it. Love the way the countertop ended up with the countertop, with the cooktop ended up with the countertop. And then we have a built-in oven as well. Storage drawers on both sides. And then we are also able to do both recycling and regular trash. So overall, we couldn't be happier.